everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this today's video, I'll be doing one of the interesting experiment on the Poco X3 device. So I'll be using the Bluetooth earphones and I'll be connecting the normal wired earphones at same time to the Poco X3 device, and let's see whether you will be able to play the audio from both the different earphones at same time or not. And there is one more reason why I'm doing this video, and if you're thinking me crazy, there is this same kind of option which is present in the Realme phones as well with the latest update in their smartphones, as you can see. So there is a dual mode audio which is present in the Realme X and other Realme smartphones. So I'm testing same kind of feature whether might be present in the Poco X3 device or not, because there are so many hidden features in the Poco X3 device. I thought of testing this kind of functionality whether it supports or not. So this is me also first time I'm trying this experiment on the Poco X3 device. As you can see, connecting the both of a pair of Bluetooth earphones and a pair of wired earphones at same time. You can enable this option in the Realme phones. So let's see in the Poco X3 phone whether you can actually enable this option or not. And this was a question asked from one of my subscriber as well. So if you have any other interesting experiment you want me to do on the Poco X3, do comment below. I'll try to do those testings in my Poco X3 phone as well. And in case if you're wondering what wallpaper I am using exactly for this punch hole and even this TikTok wallpaper, try to check the links in description for the wallpaper playlist. So not only the wallpapers, even you do get plenty of information on the Poco X3 smartphone as well. So in case if you are interested, try to check that playlist as well. And let's get started with the experiment of this Bluetooth earphones and wired earphones at same time. So right now I'll be trying to play the audio in full volume. First let me connect the normal wired earphones. So now you will be hearing the volume from the earphones only, as you can see. So now you can hear the volume from the earphones. So now let me try to connect the Bluetooth earphones by enabling the Bluetooth. So as soon as the earphones are out of this case, you should be able to connect to the Bluetooth earphones, because I already did a pair to this Poco X3. And earphones are successfully connected, as you can see on the top here, as soon as the earphones are out. But volume is coming, I think, from the wired earphones, not from the Bluetooth earphones. So not from the Bluetooth, so only from the wired I am getting the volume. And there is no other option to change, I think so. So there is no option to change to the Bluetooth earphones, as you can see here. So right now, even when you connect the Bluetooth earphones and wired earphones at same time, the audio will be playing only through the normal wired earphones. So let's see whether if I disconnect the cable, this wired earphones, the audio will be automatically shifting to the Bluetooth earphones or not. So that is what another thing I want to test here. So the audio got passed, as you can see here. So now the audio will be playing from the Bluetooth earphones. So now the audio is coming from the Bluetooth earphones, as you can see. You can listen clearly. And now let me try to connect the earphones, normal wired earphones. Let's see audio will be shifting to these earphones or not. And it is the music notification. Yes, the audio is shifted to the normal wired earphones automatically, without the music getting passed, but only when you disconnect the wired cable, and the music is automatically shifted to the Bluetooth earphones. Right now you can see. So before there was some connection problem, so it was not happened, but right now you can shift the songs between both without even passing the video. So overall friends, you can only listen in one mode of audio, either from the wired earphones or from the Bluetooth earphones. So you cannot do that both at same time in the Poco X3 device. So this is what the conclusion is, and audio is exactly transferring between both Bluetooth earphones and the wired earphones as soon as you connect and disconnect. So there is no issues with that as well in terms of passing the audio. So thank you for watching this video. For more interesting videos, make sure to follow me regularly for this kind of new experiments on the Poco X3 device, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.